Constellation Energy is a global energy company headquartered in Baltimore, Maryland. It employs about 11,000 people, most of them in competitive energy markets across North America. The company also has operations in Europe and the Far East. Constellation consists of two main entities, a merchant energy business and Baltimore Gas and Electric, a regulated utility serving 1.2 million electricity and 600,000 natural gas customers in central Maryland. Constellation's merchant business contributes about 85% of the company's earnings. The merchant business has global operations broken down into three key areas. First is generation. Constellation operates a fleet of power plants located across the United States, producing over 9,000 megawatts of electricity. 61% of that power comes from nuclear plants, 37% from fossil plants, mostly coal, and 2% from renewable sources such as hydropower. Partly because of the high percentage of nuclear generation, Constellation's plants produce less carbon dioxide per megawatt than most fleets. The industry average for carbon dioxide emissions is 50% higher than that of Constellation. Constellation is investing about $1 billion to reduce emissions at two of its coal-fired power plants outside Baltimore.
This will allow us to bring Brandon Shores to an environmental standard where it will be one of the cleanest plants of its type in the world, and also have a big impact on the overall fleet. That'll make us one of the lowest emitting power generators in North America.
Back in 2000, Constellation's Calvert Cliffs nuclear power plant in southern Maryland was the first in the nation to have its license renewed. The new license runs until 2034 for Unit 1 and 2036 for Unit 2. In 2002 and 2003, Constellation upgraded the plant with the addition of 4 new steam generators at a cost of over $300 million. In 2006-2007, it installed new reactor vessel heads, another major step in improving reliability, safety, and efficiency. Constellation has formed partnerships with some of the world's most experienced developers of new nuclear plants and hopes to build new plants alongside existing plants at Calvert Cliffs in Maryland and 9 Mile Point in Scriba, New York. Second, in addition to generating power, Constellation's merchant business entails customer supply. The company provides electricity and natural gas supply and products to wholesale and retail customers in competitive markets throughout North America. Customers include commercial, industrial, and public sector organizations, ranging from large multinationals to small and medium-sized businesses. Over 2/3 of the Fortune 100 companies are Constellation customers, as are thousands of other businesses and organizations. Some of these customers want only to procure energy. Some want to monitor its use and reduce costs by consuming it in the most cost-effective way. Others need help purchasing and operating the most efficient energy equipment. Some seek help in efficient energy design and construction, while others want to meet their energy needs in ways that minimize, eliminate, or offset the effects of greenhouse gases. These and other services are provided by various Constellation businesses on a national level. The third category of the merchant business is a global commodities group. This group manages worldwide risk for customers in power, gas, coal, and freight markets. In particular, it manages risk for Constellation's generation plants. In addition, it is an active trader in energy markets, with trading operations in Baltimore, Houston, Calgary, London, and Sydney. Constellation has been #1 in U.S. power markets for over 5 years and is 3rd in North American natural gas markets. Baltimore Gas and Electric is responsible for delivering electricity and natural gas safely and reliably to customers, and for maintaining and improving its distribution system. This new transformer, for example, is one of 6 recently deployed in BGE substations to improve reliability and allow greater amounts of electricity to be imported into Maryland from other states. BGE is also responsible for quick and efficient recovery from storms and other natural events. Constellation is a leading corporate contributor to the United Way and other nonprofit organizations. Employees are active in their communities and are encouraged to participate in community service events, such as this extreme makeover of a YMCA outside Baltimore. In addition, the company has raised millions of dollars for charities since 2003 through its sponsorship of golf tournaments on the PGA's Champions Tour. Constellation Energy evolved from the country's first gas utility, founded in Baltimore in 1816. It has become a global energy leader and continues to expand. Constellation Energy is the way energy works.